Hello and welcome to the tour of Sea Scout, a Robalo 246 Cayman. Starting out, we have this custom-made aluminum T-top manufactured by Pacific Yacht Towers. It's very nice, provides a lot of shade. Now we have this forward casting deck with these cushioned lounges. Very comfortable for laying down, taking a break from all that fishing. You can hop way up here in the front and cast and fish off of almost every edge of this boat. You can even walk around the whole side of the boat back to the back casting platform. You can see our rod holders up there. And this rear seat does fold down to give you even more room to fish in the back when you're not traveling. That's what it looks like. And here in the back, we do have our two insulated live wells. We'll flip those on just to give a quick demonstration. These live wells are 30 gallons each. I do have some air stones here to keep the fish even more lively. That was the port one. Here's the starboard side. And we will close these guys up. And we'll head over to the forward live well. There are 3 live wells on this boat. Up above, we do have our anchor locker right there. For storage, the lounges do flip up. It's also a insulated fish box for larger species like yellowtail and tuna. Over here on the port side, we have more storage, and in the center, more storage. And the second best thing about a boat this style is we do have an onboard head. For you landlubbers, that is a toilet. You just come in here to the middle seat, open it up, and there you go. I have a little light so you can see around. Now, moving on to the best part of this boat is the trolling motor. To deploy it, you just drop it down. This trolling motor is completely remote controlled. So if you want to go left, you just push the left button. If you want to go right. The best function is an anchor mode that'll keep you in the same exact spot. So rather than wasting time trying to get your anchor to stick on the ground, you just drop this thing in, hit a button, and you're fishing. To move to another spot, it's as easy as pulling it back up, securing it, and you are good to go to the next spot. Humminbird Solix 12 is our unit, mated with a 1 kilowatt Airmar transducer. I do have trim tabs on this boat to keep a nice comfortable ride. And we do have our VHF radio. I always bring a satellite phone as well. And that sums up the features of the Sea Scout. Thank you for watching. If you guys are interested in going out fishing on the Sea Scout, you can visit our website and give us a call.